flow like that.
Ni igongona ria kuneana matamu ma utongoria wa kanitha wa CITAM mwena wa Karen kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Muthikabu wa keri David Oginde akinegera Muthikabu Calisto Odede igongona riria mutongoria wa bururi na atongoria angi makunyititwo geni.
Who prophesied that now
Kanitha wa CITAM ukoretwo nyitite itemi rinene hari maundu matiganite maria marahutio utongoria wa bururi, na Muthikabu Oginde akoretwo akionekana ari muharini wa mbere thiini wa magongona matiganite ma gibururi, na kwa muhiano igongona ria kuruguria riboti ya BBI mwena wa Bomas kuria Muthikabu Oginde anyitire itemi rinene.
Perhaps it is time that hustlers should pause their hustling for a moment, and the reggae dancers pause their dance for a moment and join together in a serious Jerusalem dance for the sake of the peace and the unity of this nation.
Na umuthi Muthikabu Odede ni aitiriirio maguta.
With this oil, we now consecrate you and set you apart to the office of the bishop.
Itajira ya kumwamura ta Muthikabu wa gatatu wa kanitha uyu, na thutha ucio anegerwo maratathi mothe ma kanitha uyu, karamu, kirikaniro, na muthia anegerwo tawa wa kanitha uyu. Akiaria hindi igongona riri, President Gukinya nieranire gukorwo akirutithania wira na Muthikabu mweru na kanitha uyu ginyanagia riria akahuruka wira.
incoming Presiding Bishop Calisto Odede and your wife, mine is just to say congratulations. We wish you every success as you embark on the challenge that is ahead of you. I wish you every success, and I look forward, just as I was working with David, to work with yourself, to pray with yourself in the 1-2 years of mine remaining before I join him.
Mwena-ini wake Muthikabu Oginde ni ataririe wigie ngwataniro yake na mutongoria wa bururi, akimucokeria ngatho na ni undu wa gwikinyia igongona-ini ria umuthi.
It has been a pleasure and an honor to not just work with you, but also the moments that we have had praying together. And I look forward that we shall continue with some of those prayer sessions even in your retirement.
We have developed a very interesting relationship in which you have honored me and given me space to speak into your lives. You have also allowed me to give a critique to your leadership, sometimes harshly and publicly. And sometimes I think this is the end of our friendship. But you still reach out to me.
Muthikabu Oginde atugatite ta Muthikabu wa kanitha uyu kwa ihinda ria miaka 10, kuria Muthikabu Odede agukorwo ari Muthikabu wa gatatu wa kanitha uyu. Gerifotera Kameme TV, ritorako ni Wanjiru wa Foro.